Hi there, viewers out there, for Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage with the Anglia project. Today is March 20th, 2025, and this is going to be part 53, which is significant because 3 years ago today, exactly.
Yeah, there's one of the lines.
There's that red mark right there. If any of you have looked at our first video 3 years ago, we started out with red marks.
Yeah, here's the center.
Yeah, there's the other one. And there's the other one. And what those marks were is the outside measurement of the 48 Anglia popular fender to fender, so that we could gauge how wide to manufacture a straight front axle for the start of the build, which we did, and it shows further on in part 1 3 years ago. So today is a monumentous day because not only is it the 3-year anniversary after a extended bullshit bunch of crap to
six visits to the DMV to try to get paperwork done. That's besides taking and having safety check, having it weighed, the car weighed, and
stolen parts,
one thing after another with them.
Appraisal by an official appraiser, and then the last thing they hit us with was having to get a surety bond, which I don't know what the fuck that's gonna do, but we got it, and as of this morning, Lou is officially on the road, registered and insured with the Anglia, and we are about to go out and take a drive, and we'll take you with us. Do you want to put the dog in the house, or?
Huh?
You want to put her in the house?
Yeah, we can put her in there.
She should be all right. I just had her go to the bathroom. Go see Gidgy. All right. Well, there it is. Ready to go. Look, inspection sticker. Look. Stickers. And a license plate. Boy, that's all right. Okay. Let's see what Lou is doing here. All right, I guess I'll open the gate. Do you have a remote?
Yeah, I got a clicker.
Okay, here we go. The official first legal drive.
Legal drive.
Legal drive. coilers out there. That's a B&M, what is it, a 350?
Yeah, 350.
TH350 from Summit, B&M. And of course the engine is from Blueprint through Summit. Expected, it's a little bouncy.
Oh yeah. You know, I gotta figure out what the adjustment things are on those shocks.
Oh yeah. The coilovers?
Yeah, there's a little screw deal on them.
Braces in the fenders?
Huh?
Are there braces in the fenders for the headlight?
Yeah, the headlights are hooked onto them. On the road.
Yeah. brakes feel?
Oh, there. All you got is barely touch.
Oh yeah. Okay, so for those of you who recognize the route, we just passed my house on the left, and we're going to go.
Come on. Like
What the fuck?
idiot.
Fucking people will sleep. There you have it, the first official drive on the road, legally registered, insured, inspected, and all that crap. 3 years to the day from red marks on a garage floor.
Yeah, ain't that something?
Been a long
time.
Long fucking route. A lot of obstacles, but so far we've managed to overcome them all.
Did you get the VIN number there?
Oh, no. Let me go over and take a look at it later.
Yeah. Been a long time ago.
Oh. And there you have it. VIN number assigned to the car. Okay.
You got the license plate in the back?
Yeah, I shut that
Oh,
already.
you reset the...
Yeah, so okay, with that I'm gonna close this, and when I go home I'll publish this as part 53 for the big kahuna. This is it. Okay, catch you all later. Everybody out there, have fun.
Okay, thank you all for watching.
Yeah, thank you for being viewers and giving us lots of encouragement along the 3 years. We appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.